look, a lot of them just went to ISIS because they wanted to form their own group. And that's where they basically got the entire conundrum of, we're going to do this, and they execute. As far as it goes to say that the change from Bush to Obama...
Nation, that's what people looked to Obama for and thought he was going to do.
Yeah.
Because they thought he was somebody different. But okay, that was that. But we're basically, man, he does make the point, you know, was all this war, was all this other things that were going on going to change with this man because of his race? No. No. But that's what my opinion is what people thought it was about. So that was that. That was that last issue of that first verse. Then we go into the chorus. Yeah, it's Bird. All right. Yeah. Then we go into the chorus, and with the chorus, we he uses our national anthem in a weird way, not a weird way, but a messed up way almost. Yeah, this ain't what
Told you we could have tried the bedroom, but you were like, no.
It's too dark. It's too dark.
You do realize that window opens, right?
Hey.
I'm just saying.
Hey. The American dream only makes sense when you're sleeping. That's what he said verbatim.
What are you doing?
Jeez. That was the bird?
No, you're going to have to make a blooper in this video.
That was the bird. People say it could talk, but I didn't think it was legit, man. That said, what are you... Oh my god. Oh my god, the bird. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. That is an animal. It just said, what are you doing? Dude.
You need to go back in the footage and look at this.
I'm going to have to do a whole bunch of editing with this. We okay, Bird? There's something else you want to say?